Hello, welcome to our Chinese class. It is a system tutorial for beginners to learn Chinese. Welcome to subscribe.
Lesson 1. The first part of daily conversation about questions and answers.
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Peppa，
你多少岁了？
我15岁了。
你住哪？
我住在纽西兰。
你去哪？
我去中国。
你来自哪里？
我来自纽西兰。Number 1. What is your name? My name is. What is your name? We can say 你叫什么名字？你 means you. 叫 means call. 什么 means what. 名字 means name. 你叫什么名字？ My name is. We can say 我叫。我 means I. 叫 means call. 我叫。我叫。For example, my name is Peppa. We can say 我叫 Peppa. 你叫什么名字？我叫 Peppa. Number 2. How old are you? I am 15 years old. How old are you? We can say 你多少岁了？多少 means how many. 岁 means age. 你多少岁了？ I am 15 years old. We can say 我15岁了。你多少岁了？我15岁了。Number 3. Where do you live? I live at or in. Where do you live? We can say 你住哪？住 means live. 哪 or 哪里 means where. 你住哪？ I live at or in. We can say 我住在。在 means at or in. 我住在。For example, 你住哪？我住在纽西兰。Number 4. Where are you going? I am going to. Where are you going? We can say 你去哪？去 means go. 你去哪？ I am going to. We can say 我去。For example, 你去哪？我去中国。Number 5. Where are you from? I am from. Where are you from? We can say 你来自哪里？ 来自 means come from. 你来自哪里 I am from, we can say 我来自 For example, 你来自哪里我来自纽西兰 Now please repeat them again and again.
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Peppa.
你多少岁了？
我15岁了。
你住哪？
我住在纽西兰。
你去哪？
我去中国。
你来自哪里？
我来自纽西兰。Well done, you did a good job. Please do this homework after class. First part, please translate them into English.
你住哪？我住在纽西兰。你多少岁了？我15岁了。你去哪？我去中国。你叫什么名字？我叫 Peppa。你来自哪里？我来自纽西兰。
Second part, now translate them into Chinese. Where are you going? I am going to. What is your name? My name is. Where are you from? I am from. Where do you live? I live at or in. How old are you? I am 15 years old. So much for today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you